Hello everyone, let's take a quick look at Homelink 3.7 for everyday math. This is called areas of rectangles, and it's about rectangles, but really this will help you with multiplication later. First thing to do is draw a 4x6 rectangle on the grid. When they say 4x6, we want to have 4 rows and 6 in each row, and that would be our rectangle. Now, there's a shortcut for finding area, but we're just going to do it by counting first. And we're recommending you make a dot in each square as you count the squares inside the rectangle. So count each square: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then write the number on the side of what you got for your number. And I'll give you a hint. It's going to be 20 something. We'll just say 20 something squares. Now, there's a shortcut to do this. If you figure out the shortcut of figuring out the area, then write it on the back of this page. This thing here, same deal, 3x9 rectangle, and then count the squares. Write it over here, please. Down here, you're not drawing a rectangle, you're just looking at this one here. This is a blank by blank rectangle. It is a 2 by something rectangle, you can figure out. And the area is how many? Count again the squares in the middle. Same thing here. This is a blank by blank rectangle, and what is the area? How many square units are inside? Now, the bottom half, we have some subtraction practice. Couple things to point out here. First of all, do this on the back of your page. And be sure to make a ballpark estimate with the number model. So here's mine. Let me do a ballpark estimate first. Let's see. I'm going to do the nearest 100. This would be 600 minus 300, which should be equal to 300. So my answer should be close to 300. And I'm going to quickly take you through counting up subtraction to review that. Starting with 264, I'm going to go to the next 10 by adding a 6. Now I want to get to 300 next, so I'm going to add 30. Then I'm going to 500 next, so what do I add to 300 to get to 500? Think about it for a minute, and it would be 200. And now I can go straight to 71. So I just add 71, and I finished 571. So started at 264 and counted up to 571. Now, circle the numbers that I added and add those up. And be sure that you keep them nice and lined up with ones, tens, and hundreds, and then it should be easy to add those up. And the answer is going to be 307. And the next one, do on your own. Just don't forget to do the ballpark estimate, and your answer and the ballpark estimate should be close to each other, not too far apart, and you can see that's the case here. Okay, that's all for this home link. Thank you very much.